I've always been interested in electric fish. My research is in the area called electrophysiology. So I study nerve cells and things, but I have sabbatical coming up. My wife wanted us to do it in Latin America, so I looked for research opportunities in Central and South America, and this one came up to study electric fish in Uruguay.
I mean, that's the root masses that they live in. So this is their life, is living among all those roots.
It's really dense.
Yeah. And since they're nocturnal, that's why they need their electric sense, because there'd be no real way of moving around in there and know where you're going.
So I had the idea that we could make a floating device with an antenna at the top of it to have an LED, and you could put dozens of these out in the water, and each one would be flashing in relationship to probably one or two of these fish.
As an administrator, I was very interested in the project because it was going to bring together faculty from across disciplines, but also I was very interested in the project as an artist. So as a filmmaker and an interaction designer, I frequently work with engineers and computer scientists, so it was also just an added bonus for me.
Well, myself and Dr. Chenzira will be tackling the design of the artistic side of things, so how to expand on the utilitarian scientific components as a way to create more of a visual experience.
Working with people from different disciplines is very interesting to me. It's often said that people who work in the field of technology have all the knowledge and all the skills, all the technical abilities, but no content. And the people who work in the arts have a lot of content, a lot of ideas, but lack the technical skills to bring them to fruition. So when you bring those two together, I find that to result in projects that are greater than the sum of the parts, if you will.
Power's on and everything.
Power's on and everything, yeah. So,
So,
is it constantly radiating?
yeah, so we got pulses down there at the bottom, I thought.
Oh, there they are.
Or is
Sure
that
did.
noise?
No, that doesn't look like noise. So the data that Gene gave me was audio data that records the pulses that the fish make. It's a low frequency pulse. You get this da-da-da-da-da type of sound. So he created a wave file from that data, and he gave me the wave file, and I converted it into a number file, graphed it in Excel. You can see the waveform. I've taken that data and used it to drive a color wheel in software with the different colors depending on the amplitude of the data. And that color gets reflected in the LEDs on the display.